I gotta find peace of mind. Alone now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, then you already know. I want to thank you guys so much for being here. But today I decided to do like a summer refresh video. It's not too much, but I have a few new pieces and I want to incorporate them in my home. So you guys are going to come along while we do that, and I'll be repurposing stuff as well, because why not? Now, initially when I did my spring decor, I wanted, it to be spring summer. So I'm just gonna change a few items, and I absolutely still love it. I'm in love because I made that decision to do something that's gonna fall right into summertime with all the florals and all the stuff that I selected. And every time my home always feels brand new. It's my style and I love that. So you guys are gonna come along. I'll be just showing you the items that I have right here and what I'm gonna incorporate. You guys might know some of these items, or it's gonna be the first time you're seeing it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and if you're not, then you already subscribed. So thanks for returning. Guys, please remember to hype the video up. And what is the summer refresh that you guys are doing or have done for your home? I know a lot of persons, it's particular. They might do the living room, they might do their kitchen. I honestly think my kitchen is okay. There's nothing I need to change. We're just gonna work around the house. So the entrance, remember we did our entrance, so we are gonna add new stuff to the entrance and just change it up a little bit. I will be changing off the coffee table and also my console right here, which I absolutely love. You guys know the meaning behind this was when I moved in, I knew I wanted a storage area. These two, I would say storage, call them credenza if I may. They have my decor in them, and I know I wanted something more than just like a console table. So I purchased these from Target. Really love them. It's two, but I put them together so it's not one. And I was going crazy over them. When I have them in the space, I was like, I need something else. I need something than a wall, a wall art. And that's when I made the decisions, because I already plan on putting mirrors in my bedroom to go with mirrors. I went to a hotel and I saw the mirrors. It's huge, like 4 mirrors. And when I tell you the feeling it gave me, I was like, instantly, I bought 2 mirrors first for my bedroom, and I said, let me just place them on top and see how they would look. And I went back to IKEA. I did the mirrors in my room. But anyway, this is one of my favorite spots. And of course, we're going to change it up a little bit. I like to keep it very simple because I love it, okay? It kind of elevates the home and all the things. But anyway, we're going to get into the video. Enough yapping. I just needed to give you guys a little backstory because watch Chrissy work. Come on. All right, let's go to what we are going to add to the space. And the rest, you guys are going to tell me in the comments, what do you think? Because I'm just going to get into it. I have to clean the space as well, dust the space before I put anything else there. But let's go, guys. All right, y'all. So everything that I'm working with, it's right here. Very simple, minimal, but we're going to make a difference, okay? First up is these 2 candle holders. These were from Temu. Yes, I did an ad with them, and these are super heavy and they are going to work. I love the transparent with the touch of gold on them. So these are going to work perfect in the space I decided to put them in. I like to map out what I'm going to do before I do it. So I did do that. I also have this Jo Malone candle I got for my birthday. This is now going to go at the front of the house. I'm definitely going to take the cover off because it is silver and we don't have silver, even though mixed metals or textures or whatever, that'll be good. But I'll be taking this off. So we're adding this. I am going to switch out my candle. My new favorite candles are from Walmart. Yes, the Better Home and Garden. This one is lychee and apple, and it's going to be perfect for the summertime. So nice. So I will be using this as well. I have these tapered candles that I'll be using in the candle holders, and they are like a neutral color. Really like it. So it's going to be beautiful. It's not white. It's more like a tan, light brown, cream. It's all the colors, okay? This is how it looks. So that's going to be so nice. I have this paper mache bowl that I got from Ross. It was only $12.99. The price is still there. When I tell you this thing is heavy, I love the textures on it, the color. It is absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. So I will be switching out a bowl and we will be using this. And I also have this big, huge. You see how big it is? I got this from Ross as well, and this was $20. Why I got this was the color, the texture on it. It is super heavy, and I know just adding maybe like some moss or something in this, it would be beautiful. So I pulled this one out. I have an idea that I'm gonna custom something, might add the moss, but we will see what I come up with. I have 2 more items. This vase is from Hobby Lobby, and you're looking at the same vase right here on my counter, but I customized this a little bit more texture. I added some brown to it. When you watch my weekly vlog, you will see I was doing this outside. All I did was just my dirt, regular dirt. I rubbed dirt all around it because I wanted it to have that aged look towards it. And when I tell you, it is beautiful. Now it's custom. It's just like, did I buy it like this? So I used the brown dirt. It wasn't too much, and then I damp a piece of paper towel just to kind of rub it in a little bit more. Why? Because I wanted it to look natural and look like that's how it came. I even did it around the rim and under the bottom, so it had that really nice age look. I honestly wanted to do dabs of black to it, but we will see how that goes. Just taps of black to it. I would probably use paint because the material is like it's so textured and it's rough. So if I even use paint, it's gonna look nice just with like a paper towel, just a little bit, and kind of, you know, whatever. But we will see if we end up doing that. Not for today though. I have one last item, and this item actually inspired the video. Okay, I didn't want to just put it in the space. I wanted it to be something different. So hold on. This is it right here. I went to Target to check out the new collection from Studio McGee, and when I tell you, I saw a video with her on Instagram, but it didn't pop. In person, this is beautiful. And I really wanted to change out the lamp in the space that I love with the 2 mirrors for a long time, because I wanted a more custom and more modern and, you know, look. And I love this type of lampshade. Couldn't find a lampshade to change it up because I'm okay with the base, but I wanted to change the lampshade so it have this look. But when I went to Target and I saw this, I came out. And a story about this, I came out and I didn't even like, I was like, I like it. Should I get it? When I came home, and it was just something why I didn't get it. This was $80. When I came home, I went on Target and I saw that my Target have 2 available. And I'm kind of scared when something comes out and they say 2 is available, because sometimes they don't update the stock. Anyway, I went ahead, added to my cart, and then it was telling me that I have a 15% off. And then I have a $5, I also add a $5 gift card. And when I tell you, I only got her for around $62 or $65. Yeah, so why not? You guys watched my last week's video when I got this. I love the gold detail. I love the wooden texture. It's just gonna soften everything. And then the shade, it has texture to it. It's not just like cream. It is like a tan beige color. It matches so well with my sofa. The place is bright now, so it's giving cream, but it's not. It's like beige. So I really like that. And then the brass detail. So I'll definitely add this to the space. But anyway, we are gonna get into the video. Let's dust and let's change up a few stuff.
Fringes on, stepping out the house like a daughter of Zion. Covered up, but the glow on me loud, ain't no denying. Not vain, but I walk with a holy alignment. Beauty in a
peace, no world can define it. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Bring it on, looking right. Want to see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, who you like. Good but still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with pride. Not a show, it's the fruit of the spirit inside me. Every step, every thought he refined me. Cover heart, cover body, cover mind. Virtue in my steps, royalty in my design. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Bring it on, looking right. Want to see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, holy light. But still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with pride. Shine in your light, set apart, sanctified. I've been tried through the fire, I've been tried through the rain. Lost myself in the hurt, drowned deep in the shame. Let men take pieces of me that I couldn't reclaim. Let them tell me who I was till I forgot my own name. Heart full of bruises, smiles, covering pain. Let the world walk on me like I didn't bleed the same. But even in the darkness when I felt far away, your voice called me out like, daughter, come change. I was broken, I was blind, didn't know who I was, but you showed me my design. Pulled me back with your love. All the lies, they fed my spirit. I'm releasing above. Now I stand in who I am. Yeah, I rise from the dust. I've been tried through the fire, I've been tried through the rain, but I'm a new creature now. Ain't the girl I was then. All that bondage, all that trauma, I lay down the chains. Found my worth in the one who can heal every stain. Took my power back, now ain't controlled by the pain. I know my identity, I walk in His name. Yeah, I let the wrong hands hold me, let the wrong words mold me. Didn't know my value, let their darkness console me. Thought I needed love from men just so somebody would know me. But all it did was break me till the Most High restored me. Said, daughter, you're mine, ain't no need to pretend. What they took, I return. What they broke, I mend. Your authority's alive, you don't bow, you ascend. You're a new creature now, write your story again. I've been tried through the fire, I've been tried through the rain, but I'm a new creature now. Ain't the girl I was then. All that bondage, all that trauma, I lay down the chains. Found my worth in the one who can heal every stain. Took my power back, now ain't controlled by the pain. I know my identity, I walk in His name. I've been tried through the fire, I've been tried through the rain, but I'm a new creature now. Ain't the girl I was then. Hey. All the bodies I've been trying through the back, but I'm a new creature now. Ain't the girl I was then. All that bondage, all that trauma, I laid down the chains. Found my worth in the one who can heal every stain. Took my power back, took my love. He to save me. let's go. Sun on my skin, new blessings on me. Joy in my step and the spirit set free. Walking in peace, yeah, I'm on in my week. Soft but I'm strong, it's the balance I keep.
Guys, we are done. I had fun recording this video for you guys. I had fun just changing out stuff, and I get to clean as well. Now, what are your thoughts? A lot of stuff are the same, but it still looks different because the lamp, for one, is a big difference. The texture, the color, amazing. Now you can see that we have a stush. I'm gonna use that word. In Jamaica we call stush she going like she's stush, she going like she nice, or she's stush, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, that's it, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and I will catch you guys in my weekly vlog. Bye. Oh, remember, God is love. Come here for a minute. Anyway, cut. Let's get it together. Cut!